Online education versus offline education. Computers are now increasingly being used in the field of education. More and more teachers, more and more educational institutions are now dependent on computer for teaching purposes. Some people have come to think that teachers no longer play important role in the classrooms. But I personally feel that computers cannot replace teachers. Technology has immense reach to address educational needs efficiently. High tech infused learning is the future of education. Yet, man is not a machine. Machines will not be able to create the human resource which the society needs. Computers can create a cold and virtual class, which no one is interested in. Computers cannot create a culture of sensitivity and moral values. Computers cannot push the students to meet high expectations, conduct, say, a parent teacher meeting, take the children for a picnic or a camp. The teacher plays the role of a leader, guide, and mentor. The teacher inspires the students to set and reach their goals. The teacher works very hard to transform students into good human beings. Teachers share their knowledge, and classrooms can be more interactive only with the presence of a teacher. We cannot outsource the human connections at the heart of the learning experience. Though computers cannot replace teachers in the classroom, their importance as an important aid to teaching cannot be underestimated. The traditional method of teaching have to give way to technology enabled teaching. Thus, computers are a vital tool in the hands of the teacher to make education more informative, interactive, and interesting. They will help teachers to improve their performance. They will help students thrive academically by empowering them and making them strongly independent. Luck is nothing. Life is a journey in which we experience many ups and downs. When it is all ups, we feel elated and on the top of the world. But then some might say he just got lucky. I strongly feel both hard work and luck go hand in hand. It is difficult for one to move without the other. No matter how hard we work, if luck is not on our side, the desired results may not come, at least immediately. But even in that case, we don't suffer from guilt pangs that we did not work hard enough. Someone has rightly said, luck is when preparation meets opportunity. In fact, luck is nothing but opportunity. Opportunity knocks at every door, but it comes at a time of its own choosing. Those that are prepared will grab the opportunity. Those that are not will miss it and then blame their luck. They feel cheated when Lady Luck favors someone who was better prepared. So, the important thing is work hard and place yourself in the path of opportunity or luck. It will surely smile at you one day. The ex president of India, Mr. Abdul Kalam, was a fisherman's son but grew up to be a famous scientist and later the president of the country. Here, hard work led him to the path of luck, and it played its role well. The blessings of both hard work and the lady luck bestowed him with many laurels. Summing up, I would say that though it is difficult to discount luck altogether, hard work is the key, the only key to success. Luck matters, but only as long as you have done your part, which is 99%. I feel that one should work hard. This 99% perspiration will surely get the 1% inspiration of Lady Luck. Nothing is impossible. A possibility thinker never say no to any idea that holds some possibility for good. Before saying yes to a problem plagued possibility, he may amend, modify, qualify, or delay. But never will he cast an unqualified vote against any suggestion that has within it the seed of some possible positive good. Just because it's impossible is no reason to vote no to a potentially great idea. Creativity starts when some possibility thinker challenge the problems in the positive idea that everyone else think is impossible. You become your own tyrant when you surrender your will to the negative thoughts that you carelessly allow admittance into the sacred and unguarded areas of your mind. In that defendless movement, in that irresponsible action, you become your own oppressor. No one else but you has the power to receive, welcome, and nourish the dream destroying, opportunity abandoning, success strangulating negative thoughts in your mind. Of all the persons living on planet Earth, there is only one person who has power to cast the deciding vote to kill your dream. That person is you. You can also cast that life giving, hope filled vote that says yes to your dream.